Today we are going to do the sacrum adjustment. Okay, there are four listenings in the sacrum. One is P dash R, one is P dash L, one is PI dash R, one is PI dash L. So how to go to the sacrum? See, this is the iliac crest. When we palpate the ilium and look at this is the ilium. Okay, this is PSIS. Posterior superior iliac spine. Just below, this is the sacrum. Understood? Just below this iliac crest, this is the sacrum. This is the left, this is the right base of the sacrum. Okay. For example, if it is P dash L, in this condition, the sacrum will come posterior on the left side. Okay, so we directly contact the left base of the sacrum with the falciform contact. Here contact and tissue slack up, and the posture should be like this. And we'll do P to A thrust like this, thrust. My hand should be straighter. P dash R, we are going posterior to anterior. P to A adjustment. If it is PI dash L, in this case the sacrum will come posterior and inferior to the left side. Okay, so what I am going to do, same, the base of the left sacrum I am contacting with the falciform. In this adjustment, my hand position should be like this. Okay, I will contact here, tissue slack. I will do the rotation. If it is 90 degree, then I will do a rolling, a little bit a roll in the patient. My hand should be like this. I will do now P to A adjustment. This is the left PI and PIR adjustments. Taking the P dash R. P dash R in the sense posterior right sacrum. The base of the sacrum came posteriorly on the right side. This edge will come up. To adjust this, I will just palpate the iliac crest, and below that is the sacrum base. I will contact with the falciform, the right base of the sacrum, and I will do a tissue snag to the up, inferior to superior, I to S, and I will do rolling, slightly rolling. I will do P to A thrust. Okay. If it is PI dash R, PI dash R in the sense the right sacrum base should come posterior and inferior towards right side. So the base of the sacrum, the right base of the sacrum, I will contact with the falciform. Now I will do a anti-clockwise rotation. From here contact, I will do anti-clockwise rotation. Now once it come to 90 degree, I will roll in. Again I will do P to A thrust. These are the four sacrum adjustments.